before and after. Looking good.
Okay, it's starting there, but I don't know if that chin makes us lift that chin up a little bit higher.
Oh, well,
but
maybe not.
For the first one, we'll give her a go, and we'll make his mouth in here. We'll try to make these cheeks, but maybe we gotta go flat. It burns.
It's not gonna look exact.
I know.
You know what I mean?
But we just gotta get a face out of it.
Yep.
You know, there's something to go at. So now
it's looking like one. I mean. So maybe.
So this is more or less of a practice to see, is it possible to make that into there?
Got it. Yep. You think swap tools now, or
Yeah, let me try. Let me see what the other tool does. Oh, yeah, look at that. Going too fast. We're kind of dark here. So, where's the ears? The ears are got to be. Well, this ear's a little bit close. Maybe I got to go back a little bit. But this ear is way too close. That ear's got to be in here more. And so we got to take all that away. So this side looks okay. This side, it's got way too much meat on it. So
I got you. Yeah.
And then we're gonna make a little nice little mouth in here. We got a little cheekbone here. We took that one away, so this guy's cockeyed. So not bad for the first try, though. This wood is really soft. It might be better with a. I think that the wood on a pipe might be harder. It don't take as much off.
Which is good, right?
Yeah. And his ears are probably in the right place.
They look it.
Yeah, this is rounded here. This we could probably take some of this off right here.
Mm-hmm.
This little bit there.
Let's try it.
Too much. Maybe not. It'd be good if you had a class in anatomy and you know what the heck you're doing. Yeah, this wood is so soft. Let's go right here. This is where his pipe's going to be. Try this again. Dentist. Well, what do you think?
Looks good.
You gotta bend that pipe down. That pipes don't go straight out. There we go. Now we're talking. A smoker.
Awesome.
Hopefully all good.
Oh yeah, we have to drill a hole in his head.
That's a little bit bigger than normal, but maybe not, eh?
Yeah, it's you know what? It's nice because it's more noticeable too.
Yeah.
For you know what I mean?
Yeah.
As you're smoking it, people will be like, "What the heck?" Oh, I love it.
So yeah, we'll I'll when we make another pipe, I'll get that hole right in the middle and we can make it deeper.
Okay.
That'll be cooler.
I love it.